I have achieved something that I thought I would never achieve. Like, I feel so different in myself now since I came here. I'm completely different. Like, I don't know what I'd do if I didn't have the 3 days up here. I don't know, like, what way I'd be. Like, could be trying to home, could be going off walking like I always do. Like, but when Monday comes, I go to bed Monday night, Tuesday morning come, that's it. I know I'm coming up here. When I come up here first, I meet Ruth. First thing we do, like, we water the flowers and all. Then we go up into the pony tunnel. So Ruth would say to me, you pick out what you want to do. Like, so, as I said, the potting and pricking, I sit down, I do that. Some of the lads might come over, like, and they chat away to me, and I chat away to them, and you know, I just work away, like, and I give them a hand to do anything they want to do, like. And what we do is, when we come in and we finish our day, we write on the book what we have done. Like, if Ruth was here now yesterday, we were doing it, I'd go up and as well, I'm after doing all the potting. How would you enjoy it? I loved it. I always put a love heart when I write in the book. An enjoyable day, stunning day. Ruth showed me, she just told me what to do to flower pots my son's grave. So she went off and got the flowers for me. So she just showed me what to do. So I put them all down and had them on all the flower pots with ETB.
Brilliant.
And when I was passing off, I was stop. I done that.
Yeah.
I done that.
Yeah.
Like, after growing the potatoes and the peas and sweet corn and courgettes. So I just can't wait now for them to come up. Well, I'm proud of myself. Genuine, absolutely proud of myself for everything that I've done here. Something I thought I'd never have the ability to do, because I never thought much of myself. Never thought I could do anything like this. But I, like, as I showed the photos, all the pictures on my phone, I take pictures of everything I do. Everything. And then when I go home, then I look back and I'm proud of myself. And what I love to do, I get the compliments up here. Like, they love me here. So, like, not in a bad way, like, they appreciate everything I do for them. And that means a lot to me. It's brilliant because when he was in the height of addiction, we could never bond. But when we started doing the garden course, we were bonding so much together. And I enjoyed it because he was learning me and I was learning him. Try it out first to see how you like it. And if you don't like it, then, but you have to give it a try.